This is going to be our 2019 Ram 2500. It is going to be the crew cab long bed with the 8-foot bed back there. Really nice. Going to have the chrome bumper. Under the hood, you're going to have a 6.4 liter Hemi, which is going to have 112,000 miles. But with these Hemis, you have a lifetime left in them. Going to have some really nice all-season tires with those chrome wheels down there. Going to have the Weston step up into the cabin, as you see down there. This is going to be the crew cab, like I said. And before we turn into the interior, we'll check out this bed. Going to have your backup camera back here and spray-in bed liner. Really nice bed for whatever you're using it for, work, play, whatever, to tow anything. But we will check out that interior. Gonna have a ton of space back here. Gonna be the gray cloth seating all the way around with these really nice floor mats so you don't get any dirt on the carpet underneath. Underneath though, right here and on the other side, you are going to have a little storage bin if you would like. You can also fold up this seat to give the maximum storage capacity. And turning our attention now to the front seat, going to have the bench seating arrangement up here. If you don't need the bench seating, you have the cup holders and a little bit more storage in there. But if you need it just like that, now you can fit an extra person or something right there in the middle. Like I said, cloth seating all the way around. And you're gonna have this really nice steering wheel, bunch of buttons on the steering wheel to control some of the dashboard settings, the infotainment system, and cruise control. Like I said, it is going to have 112,000 and 129 to be exact. Going to have that Uconnect system. It's going to have Bluetooth, radio. You can get Sirius XM in there. Bunch more packed into there. Right below that, you have some of the climate control and your trailer controls right down there. If you're interested in this truck, please feel free. Reach out at any time. Give us a call or come on in, check it out for yourself.